Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Jason Jonah. I'm from class 641811, majoring management. So today, I'm gonna give my opinion about smoking in our campus. So, smoking in our campus is not allowed and it's too dangerous for the health. And smoking is very bad. And campus is not allowed. Smoking is making a bad air and to pollute the air. So, as an anti-smoker, I'm not I'm not like a smoker people. It's very bothering me. It's very bothering me. Yeah, because the smoker people is not understand where you want to smoke, where you want to smoke in the good place, but you can smoke in the campus is too bothering for me. It's very I hate I hate it. Yeah, it's true. So mm, smoking is very dangerous for me. So I tolerated for the smoker people is you can smoke in the outside of campus, but not inside of campus. And also, I know students can cigarettes on the toilet on campus. Yeah, it's basically you can get especially fine. Yeah, I know where where you can where you want to smoke. So smoking for me is stupid for people who never understand the rules anywhere, anytime, and when you want. So yeah, for my opinion, smoking is too dangerous. So that's it for my opinion. More or less, I apologize. Thank you and bye. And remember, stay healthy and not smoking. That's for me. Bye.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander. I'm from class 54 on 811 engineering engineer. So today I'm gonna present about my presentation is about psychotherapy training. What is psychotherapy training? Psychotherapy training describes habits, facts, and general truths using the best form of a verb or the best form with an S added or third person single subject. You see it. The simple present tense has two forms, the verbal present tense and the nominal present tense. Each of the sentence has a different form and meaning. Simple present tense has both positive and negative words. These words also influence the sentence. And also this follows the positive sentence. Subject was to be was compliment and the negative sentence. Subject was to be was not was compliment. Function for the simple present tense. Number one, habits. A habit is something you do constantly. Understanding. Example, my father goes to the mall every weekday, study with my friends every Sunday. Number two, general truth. General truth means a general truth of absolute truth. Example, water freezes at 0 degrees and cats are not. Function number three, instruction. Instructions which mean comments and follow instructions. Examples, do not enter this area to be ruled for training and another for fixed schedules, aka something that has This spiral is certain to happen. Example, the show starts at 7 p.m. And here's the formulas. The formulas of an events formula for the verbal sentence. And we can look. This is subject, I the name, for it's of one, oh, and subject, immediate verb one plus s slash s. Complement object, adjective, and verb H. What is favorite simple present tense? Verb sentence in the simple present tense use the main verb one to show the action or activity carried out by the subject. Unlike the nominal sentence, which use the verb to be, sentence focus on the verb or action verb. It describes daily activities or habits. There's the bonus and the plus subject plus verb one plus s plus complement, and a minus subject plus the does do slash does not plus verb one plus complement, and the question what do slash does plus subject plus verb one plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion and purpose sentence, you don't need to add to be after this subject because the verb is the one in charge of the predicate. Now is the simple present tense nominal present tense is the form of subject I, verb am, subject we day, verb am, subject she, it, verb is, complement, object adjective, verb adjective. What is verb nominal present tense? Nominal sentences are sentences that function to express the status or condition of something. In this sentence, there is no use of a verb for the main action verb as in the sentence for is this the formulas and plus subject plus to be plus complement and minus subject plus to be plus not from plus complement and the question mark to be plus subject plus complement. Examples: I am good at math and his story is very interesting. You can look the underline in I am good at math is and the number two, the underline is this. What is subject for agreement? This is an adjustment between the verb and the subject of a sentence in terms of number. Namely, similar of the subject can be a noun, a pronoun, or another construction that acts as a noun, such as a girl or an infinitive. Example, Mina always grows at the postal carrier. Signal subject, single verb. We can see the other right is the dog. And number two, basketball scores across the floor. Roll up subject and roll up verb. You can see the underline is the basketball. Number three, I will understand the assignment with my subject and semicolon. You can see the underline is I. Now that's it for my presentation. Thank you for hearing the presentation. Uh, more less, more and less or less. I apologize. Thank you and goodbye.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name Muhammad Dani, and so in this video I will give my opinion about smoking on area campus. Yeah, we know cigarette use tobacco carbon paper, and they cause addiction and various diseases. And meanwhile, we know that campus is a place for learning and deepening knowledge, right? Seeing cigarette being smoked on campus area is an disrespectful, as it only endangers oneself, but also spread smoke that can harm others who inhale it. According to study, Secondhand smoke can increase the risk of heart attack, stroke, and high blood pressure. And for pregnant women, it can lead to premature birth and even miscarriage. Therefore, in my opinion, smoking is a disrespectful act, especially on campus ground. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Dani, and in this video I will present about simple present tense. And enjoy watching. Okay, this is a table of content. First, what is simple present tense? Formula 2, when to use, common mistake and practice. Let's continue. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is one of the most commonly used tense in English grammar. This tense is essential for talking about daily routine, habit, scientific fact, interaction, and timeable. Okay, next formula. Formula is S for subject plus V1 is verb 1 S or AS plus O or C complement. Okay, there are three plus, negative, and question. For plus is a subject plus verb 1 S or AS plus subject plus object. For example, she plays the game with him every day. And for negative, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For example, she doesn't play the game with him every day. And for question, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, does she play the game with him every day? For negative, usually not. So for question, do or does is placed at the beginning. Okay, next formula 2. When to use as, yes, or do or does. Do use for I, you, we, they. For example, do they play football? And does use for he, she, it. For example, does he have ticket? And one more, did use for I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Everything only past tense. Okay, next, S use for two regular verb that don't end with a special letter. For example, play become plays, read become reads, walk become walks. And S use for if the verb ends with O, S, SH, CH, X. For example, go become goes, was become washes, fix become fixes, teach become teaches. And for yes, use for ye without a vowels following a, I, U, E, O. For example, study become studies, cry become cries, play become plays, enjoy become enjoys. Okay, next, when to use. We use the simple present tense to express fact, habit, or situation that do not change. For sentence stating fact, example are: She's so beautiful. She doesn't like coffee. I live in Bali. He works as a policeman now. For habit, because they are connected to time, some time marked in this tense include often, always, every day, every morning, twice a week, or twice a month. Okay, next, common mistake for E or S. Example, she likes to read books. Uh, for correct, plus S. So she is like to read books. And AS, she watch TV in the evening. For correct, plus S. So she's watch TV in the evening. And for do or does, for example, I does my homework. And correct, I do my homework. He do his homework. And for correct, he does his homework. Okay, time to practice. For a plus formula is I, you, we, they. Verb 1, he, she, it plus verb 1, s, as, yes. For negative, I, you, we, they plus don't plus verb 1, he, she, it plus doesn't plus verb 1. And for question, do plus I or you, we, they plus verb 1, does plus he or she or it plus verb 1. For negative, add not, and for question, add do or does. For example, you play football. Negative, you don't play football. And interrogative, do you play football? Example 2, she play football. Negative, she doesn't play football. Interrogative, does she play football? Example 3, for plus, it plays football. For negative, it doesn't play football. And for interrogative, does it play football? Example 3, example 4. For plus, he plays football. For negative, he doesn't play football. And for interrogative, does he play football? So that's my presentation, and thank you.
Hello, my name is Farel Putrawibowo, class 641A11. This time, I will share my opinion about smoking campus. In my opinion, I fully support a smoking ban on campus. Beyond the discomfort, the health risks is important to remember that not everyone on campus smokes, and many are sensitive to secondhand smoke. Therefore, I believe strict rules should be enforced to ban smoking on campus, including imposing strict sanctions or even fines on violators to deter repeat offenders. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Farel Putrawibowo, This time I will explain the simple present tense. What is simple present tense? A tense form in English used to express habit, general traits, unchanging facts, or fixed schedule. This tense uses the base verb one with the ending es or es for the third person singular pronouns he, she, it. When simple present tense used, the simple present tense is used the describe active you do routinely or daily habits. For example, I brush my teeth twice a day. This habit is permanent and repeated. Static scientific fact and general truths. Unchanging fact or universal properties of the universe also use the simple present tense. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This fact is always true regardless of time, static, a schedule, or even that is already regular. For things like train schedule, flight, TV show, and other events that are fixed, a schedule, the simple present tense, is also used. For example, the trains leave at 7 p.m. Definition formula. Definition: the simple present tense describes habit, action, fact, and general truths, making it essential for effective communication in both spoken and written English. Formula. Formula for forming the simple present tense is subject plus base verb for third person singular he, she, it, at, s, or es to the base verb. Simple present tense formula. What is the simple present tense? What is the formula simple present tense? In general, the formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 es plus complement for positive station. With a verbal pattern. Is the pattern is nominal, the formula for the present tense is subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Positive formula subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject to be plus not plus complement. Present to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal tense patterns. Positive. I am international student. Negative. She is not an international school student. Question. Is she an international student? Nominal tense stands for in simple present tense. The simple present tense nominal formula is used for tense that do not use verb, but is instant used to be am is are. Subject. I am noun. You, they, we plural subject are adjective. He, she, it singular subject is adverb. Verbal formula for simple present tense. The plus, negative, and Question formula. The simple present tense for verbal pattern is positive. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES plus complement. Negative. Subject plus does, do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Question. Does, do or does plus subject verb 1 plus complement. Example tense from verbal simple present tense. Plus, I play football every afternoon. She study English at school. Negative. I do not don't play football on Monday. She does not don't study English on Sunday. Question. Do you play football every day? Does she study English every morning? Verbal tense formula in simple present tense. Simple present tense formula that use verb to express active, habit, general, fact, or routine that occur now or repeatedly. Subject, predicate, complement. I, you, they, we, plural. Subject, verb 1, noun, adjective. He, she, it, singular subject, verb 1, S or ES, adverb. Adding the final letter in simple present tense verb form third person. Pronouns he, she, it. Akhiran verb SHIS washes. Sehat catches S buzzes. Z buzzes. X fixes. Consonant plus Y ES studies. Vokal plus Y S buys. O SES videos potatoes. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.